Howdy guys, so here's an update on my Source 2. Right now I'm just playing with placement and to see how things fit in. I still need prints for my GoPro, also a mount for my antenna, and right now I'm playing with the mounts that came with the frame for the camera because I have a file core in there, but more importantly, the stack that I built is pretty tight, and as you can see, the AKK's heatsink that I put in there makes it barely fit there. So I ordered some spacers. I need some shorter ones, I need some longer ones. Perhaps the best solution are taller standoffs for the frame. I just need a little bit more room. That's all I need. Obviously right now I'm holding the antenna with a hair tie. And as you can see, I haven't soldered the cables because I'm still figuring out placement. But I'm really digging this build. I'm really digging it. Keep you updated. Thanks for watching.
Time that we're sinning, I feel that I'm really winning. When we're finished and we're grinning, I bring in another innings. We're just fulfilling the mission of really living. I feel like I'm giving back myself that was missing. I'm more like I'm drilling to myself that was hidden. I'm a villain and I'm wicked, but I'm also really timid.